Imagine this, our Earth, this tiny blue dot floating in the vastness of space. But just how tiny are we? And is this huge universe really empty? Or is there something else out there? Let's start with us, humans. We stand at an average height of about 5 to 6 feet, just a speck on Earth's surface. When we look up at the sky, it feels infinite, stretching beyond the horizon, but what if I told you that the Earth itself is almost insignificant in the grand scheme of things? It's our home, but in the universe it's just a grain of sand on an endless beach. Think about this. If Earth were the size of a grain of sand, our entire solar system would be like a football field. And our solar system is just one among billions in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Now let's zoom out a bit. The Milky Way is a colossal spiral galaxy, home to around 100 billion stars, each possibly with its own planets orbiting around them. It's so vast that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, would take over 100,000 years just to cross from one side to the other. But here's the kicker. The Milky Way is just one of about 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That's right, 2 trillion. Imagine trying to count to 2 trillion. You'd never finish in a lifetime, or even in thousands of lifetimes. And yet, all these galaxies are out there, filled with stars, planets, and who knows what else. Some of these galaxies are even larger than the Milky Way, containing hundreds of billions of stars, all scattered across the cosmos like glitter in the night sky. Now let's put this into perspective. Earth, you, me, everything we've ever known, is less than a tiny blip on this cosmic scale. We're like ants on a giant floating rock in an ocean of stars. But this ocean is not calm. It's expanding, growing larger every moment. The universe is stretching, pushing galaxies farther and farther apart. It's a process that's been going on for 13.8 billion years, ever since the Big Bang, the explosive event that created all matter, space and time as we know it. But here's where it gets even more mind-boggling. Scientists estimate that the observable universe, the part we can see, might just be a tiny fraction of the whole universe. There could be regions of space so far away that their light hasn't had time to reach us yet. Or perhaps there are entirely separate universes, part of a vast multiverse, each with its own laws of physics and dimensions. Now this raises some fascinating questions. Is all this space empty? Is it just a bunch of rocks and gas swirling around? Or could there be life out there, waiting to be discovered? Are we alone in this vast, mind-boggling universe? Or is there someone, or something out there, looking up at their own sky and wondering the same thing about us? Let's think about it. Our Milky Way alone is estimated to contain at least 100 billion planets. Some of these are in the so-called habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for life to exist. Liquid water, a stable climate, and the right chemical ingredients. And that's just one galaxy. Multiply that by 2 trillion, and the possibilities seem endless. Could there be intelligent civilizations out there? Perhaps millions or even billions of years ahead of us in technology and understanding of the universe? Or maybe life is far more common but simple, microbial, existing in the oceans beneath the icy crusts of distant moons or in the clouds of gas giants. But despite the vastness of the universe and the potential for life, we have yet to find any concrete evidence that we are not alone. The search for extraterrestrial life is ongoing, with scientists scanning the skies for signals, exploring the surfaces of Mars and other planets, and even sending probes beyond our solar system to see what's out there. So what do you think? Is this universe teeming with life, or are we truly alone? Are we just one tiny island in a cosmic sea of nothingness, or are there other islands out there waiting to be found? Let me know in the comments below, because this is one debate that's as vast as the universe itself. And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this journey through space, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-expanding content, And join me next time as we dive even deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos.